Hey everybody, this is Preston here at Grassfed Virginia Farms. Today we're going to go out and feed the cows with our old Ford here we got and our 660 baling roller. Stick with us and come hang out with the cows with us. Today a little bit is mud. You know, we've been getting quite a bit of rain this last week. We've been getting a little bit of rain every night, every day, and you want to make sure you don't pug your pastures up too bad, where we're kind of strategically putting out our hay to where you can keep the cows out of the mud and not hurt your pastures much, where when we get in a few weeks we'll be growing grass where you don't want to plug it up and make too much of a mud mess so you don't grow anything in those areas. So stick with us and we'll show you what we're doing.